Suppose admission to a movie cost $7.50 in 2002. What was its price in 1977 dollars? Assume that all prices have risen at the same rate as the CPI, which is the Consumer Price Index, and is indicated in this table to the right of the problem. Now what we want to do when we look at these particular problems is we need to understand a few of the things that are contained in the problem, and we're going to use the following associations when we deal with these problems. X will be the stated year, and the stated year is going to be for us 2002. So that's the time, the year that we're looking at. Dollar sub X will be the stated price. That's going to be $7.50. So we use this as our stated price, and we use this as our stated year. And then the year in question, Y, is going to be that year that we're looking at to find in what year those dollars are that we're talking about. And that's going to be this one. And then the price in or dollar sub Y will be the price for the year in question. And that's what this what is means. We have what was its price in 1977 dollars. And we're going to use the Consumer Price Index to answer this. The CPI sub X would be the value from the table from the stated year, which in this case for us is $7.50 in the year 2002. So the CPI sub X is going to be from 2002, and that's going to be this value right here. And then we're going to look at the CPI sub Y, which is the value from the table for the year in question, which for us was 1977. And so we will look for 1977, and we will find the CPI was 60.6. Now, in order to tie this together, we need to use a formula. And the particular formula that we're going to talk about is going to be the dollars in year Y. That's going to be dollar sub Y. And that will be equal to the price in the stated year that we're talking about, which for us was going to be $7.50. And we can put the dollar sign here. We're going to multiply that by CPI sub Y, which is going to be the Consumer Price Index Y. That's this. And we're going to go ahead and use the 60.6 to represent the Consumer Price Index in 1977. So 60.6. And we're going to divide that by the Consumer Price Index in X, or year X, which is going to be 179.9. And then we're simply going to plug that into the calculator. And so we're going to use web 2.0 calc.com just to show exactly what we're doing. So we take $7.50, we type that in, or we can use the keyboard. And we're going to multiply that by open parentheses, and we're going to type this in exactly as it's written, 60.6. And we're going to divide that by 179.9. And we're going to close. Oops, not sure what happened there. Oh, there we go. Sorry about that. The division symbol didn't click in. We divide that by 179.9. We close the parentheses. And you'll notice right here that it is written exactly the way that I have it written over here on the right-hand side in the screen. So we'll go ahead and press equals. And then we get an answer of 2.52. So our answer for this one would be the dollars. It would be $2.52 in 1977 dollars.